This bird has hardly no feathers, as you can see. It bangs itself on the floor, and it's going bald. It looks like a little turkey. Come here, girl. See how he's trying to bite me? But the weird thing is, see, look, it has no hardly feathers. It don't have no feathers in the chest. Look at that. Look at the neck. It's a bald bird. Never heard of bald eagle? But this bird is like really bald.
It's not an eagle.
We know it's not an eagle, but it's balder than an eagle. As you can see, get! Can you please? Get, girl, get! That's what you have to say to the dog. When we tell our dog to get or to go, she starts barking like a dog. So she's a pretty weird bird. She laughs at people. It's a weird bird. I call it the baldy bird.